Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to check app updates in our Samsung phone device. Guys, you want to check your app updates like any app, and guys you want to update any your app in your Samsung phone, so guys you can update. And guys, now let's see how to update app in our Samsung phone, and guys you how to check updates. So first of all guys, open your guys you have your mobile data. So guys, on your mobile data, and guys you have Wi-Fi, so guys connect your Wi-Fi. So I have connected my Wi-Fi. So guys, first of all guys, you can see your Play Store. So guys, tap here and guys click on your ID name. Guys, this ID, guys, this red one. So guys, tap here and guys you can see manage app and device. Tap here, then guys you can see your app update available here. Guys, see detail. So which app guys you want to update, guys you can update from here. So as I will update guys this YouTube guys, we will update, and guys you can see update. Tap here, so you can check your app update, and guys you can update your app. Which app guys you want to update, you can update in your Play Store setting. So I hope friends you have understood how to check updates, how to update apps in our Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet in the next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends. So you can say guys, our YouTube app has updated in our Samsung phone. Then guys we can use our YouTube with new features. So it will update guys, it's installing verified by Play Protect updated. So bye bye friends.